Hello and welcome to my channel once again. Today we are doing the container with the most water, which is the LeetCode problem number 11. So let's start. So according to the question given statement here, first of all it is a medium type question. Okay, you are given an integer array. This is the height of length n, and there are n vertical lines drawn such that the two endpoints of the ith lines and I0 and I height of I. Okay, find two lines that together with the max. Okay, return the maximum amount of water a container can store. So what the question says, according to problem statement, this is the given input. Actually the height of the given input is this, or if we draw the in the bar graph it will look like this. Okay, we have to return the which store the maximum water. Means I have to iterate, I have to check every height. Suppose this is my first block. Okay, from starting from 1, which is my ending one, it is 7. Okay, its height is this bar's height is 7. How much water it can store from here to here? Obviously the minimum, whatever the minimum height, it can store up to minimum. If you do my previous question, that is trapping of rainwater, it is basically the similar one. Okay, so the minimum height will store. Okay, what is the minimum height? It is 1. Okay, according to this is 1 and 7, which is minimum 1. Height is 1. And what is the width? Width, according to question, width, every width is, let's say, 1. Okay, 1 1 1, average width is 1. So how much water it can store? That is height is 1 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this bar can up to store up to 8, because this is the minimum one. Okay, we have to check which bar store the maximum one. You can say whatever the, you can tell, bro, we first check the whatever my maximum height, and second the second max, then between them it obviously the minimum water. A kind of, but this is not necessary all time it will happen. Okay, I tell you how much its height, 8. How much its height? According to this question, if you find the maximum height, which is what, 8. What is the second maximum height? It is 8. Okay, so between them, how much water it can store? This is the height of 8. 1 2 3 4 5 5. 8 into 5, it will store up to 50. Okay, so this container will store 50 what, 40, not 50, 40. Okay, let's check with if other bar can also contain more water. That is the last one. Okay, let's check what this height, 8. What this height, 7. Which is minimum? This is 7. Okay, how much the width between them or gap between them? Up to 5 6 7. So 7 into 7 is 49, which is greater than the 40. So it is not necessary whether the I will find the maximum height and the second maximum height, or between them is my greatest value or greatest water it can store, or the maximum water it can store. Depend upon how much width plus height, sorry, multiply with height. So from this logic you understand we have to find the maximum. First of all, the height, we have to compare every iteration or every bar to check whether my height is greater or not, or whatever my width is. Okay, what is the base case of this question? Let what if I, from here I am starting, I am checking first on last one. Okay, so this is my first index, this is my last index. And how I am getting the width? Why I am telling you the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let me write, you will understand better. Okay, let's write the whatever my input, which is 1 8 6 2 5 4 8 3 and 7. This is my given input. Okay, this is my input height. Okay, when I'm iterating for 1, this is my starting point. What is my starting point? Start is 1. Okay, and my end is 7. How I'm getting height? Whatever maximum height, what is the minimum height? It is 1. And what is my width? How I am finding the width? Sorry, width. For width, what we do? Basically, we subtract, or we can find the difference between that two bar. Or what that difference means? That is indexing. Nothing but indexing. Why I'm telling that 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this? 1, 2. It is starting from 0 to whatever its height. Okay. So by subtracting them, I am getting the value. So here, what is my? I can say it n minus start. What is this n minus start? If I take as a variable which store the index of the starting pointer and the ending pointer of that array. So for this question, it is what? What is my ending one? How much character do I have? 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, or I can say 8 because we are doing 0 indexing. So 8 minus 0, what is it? 8. Then I will whatever my maximum capital, where I will store my or my first of all, I'm in my maximum capital. I am storing 0 because I don't know whatever the maximum water or not. If there might be case there is all the value are 0 or all the value are equal, so I will store first of all 0. In my current capital, I will store whatever my current height multiply with my given weight. So for this first one, I am getting 1 multiply with 8, nothing but 8, which is my current capital. Then I will compare whether my current capital or my maximum capital which is greater, sorry, which is greater, ठीक है? Okay, which, if my maximum capital value is greater than my current capital, then I, sorry, current capital, I'm cap, sorry. If my value of maximum capital is greater than my current capital, then I will not store the current capital value in my maximum capital. Or in other case, if my current capital value is greater than my maximum capital, then I will store the current capital value in my maximum capital and search for the next bar. The current capital, or I'm saying current capital non-stop, actually the current capacity. Okay, not capital, or if you can say container. I hope you understand. Let's try and code this. I will remove this first. For this, I will create for indexing. I'm starting from 0. Start my end. I will store my last value, which is height dot length minus 1. I know I don't have to repeat this. What is I am writing, because this series I'm already told you what is start, what is end. Okay, so basically I'm storing the first index value in my start variable and the last index value in my end variable. Then I will create a variable which store my maximum capital, which is neither but the 0. Then I will start a loop which is from my start up to less than my end value. Okay, in which I have to find my height. Why I'm not writing HIGST? Because it is already given in the array. If I write this in here as a variable, then it might be give me an error, right? Which will store my Okay, I will use my math dot minimum function for getting the whatever my minimum height, or you can say minimum bar value. That would be my height. Height of start, comma, height of end. Then I will check what is my weight. That is nothing but and minus start indexing, difference between the two bar. Okay, then I create another variable, current capital or and capital. It is current capacity. It is nothing but height multiply with my weight, and I will call my maximum capacity. Check whether my, again my math dot maximum. I will check which is greater. Is my current capacity value is greater than my maximum capacity? If yes, then I will store it in my maximum capacity. Okay, after storing whatever the value of current capacity or the maximum capacity in my maximum variable, then I have to move, or I can say go to the next bar. So how can I go? I will check is my, okay, height of my start. What if it is less than my height of my end? What I will do? I will move forward, or I can say move forward of my starting part, because if this value is already greater, then I don't need to go to the lower value, because I want to find the maximum water capacity, how much it will contain. Okay, so first I am here, the next time I am here. Okay, then again it will store this like and like. So next time, why am I'm not moving from this, because the next one is my lesser than this value. Okay, that's why I'm not moving that one. So I'm going here, then I will come then I come here, then I will have to move this one. It is not greater, it is less than, it is more less than, less than. So I'm getting the lesser value, the common sense, or you can say the coding sense. And minus minus. Okay, at the end I have to return my whatever my maximum capacity. Let's check. Oh, okay, I am writing this here. Actually it is here after the loop. Return my maximum capacity. Okay, let's submit this. So done. I hope you understand this question. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this question or the previous one, you can ask me in my comment box, or anything you want to I will do for you, or giving update for you. Let me know in the comment box. Say okay, thank you.